So I am at Harbor Freight right now, and one thing that I need to do is I bought a new pigtail for my throttle body here. Some of the wires were coming out, and so one of the things that I need to do is I need to get rid of these and actually solder them, which reminds me that I need to go in and get some heat sinks as well. So what I was doing is I was looking over some of my fuses. I bought a mini fuse set, which is like $8.99, and at Walmart and AutoZone they sell you like 2 fuses for like $50 or something. So one of them is it's going to be number 10 to reset your throttle body is going to be PCMB, which is number 10. And if you look at this clear, I've been wondering why I've been having a lot of these like erratic idle issues. Look at this thing, it's like chewed completely. So this is going to be a 20. That's going to be here. And the other one, I believe, I think it is a number 31, which is going to be, where is 31? 31 is the one in the back, which is just a 10, which is down in there. So let's take this out. These things are just beat. People moving around fuses and things. Like, you look at this, my headlights were out for a while, and I checked the fuses. Fuses are completely fine. But then, when you have fuses that are like, you have fuses that are like this. Look at this thing. It's not getting really all that great of a connection. So that's one thing. Another thing is that I've been having these like kind of stalling issues, and I was looking into getting a multi-phase 300 amp alternator because I'm actually working on a remote mount twin turbo system at the back wheels, at the back axle, using 2 Garrett GT36 turbos, GT30 76R turbos. One of the things is that the side post here, I went to look and I went to take it off, and the thing's like barely on in my positive post. So when I look at it, it was all completely like stripped, the threads that were in here. So I would expect that from this metal one, whichever one that it is, that it's going to be going in the lead, and the lead was going to be stripped. Well, no, that wasn't the case. It was the positive post. So of all the negative posts that are on Twitter and on Facebook and everything, here's a positive post. So that's one of the things that if you're having erratic idle, one, check your first check yourself. Second is to check your fuses. Then also your gasket leading into the throttle body. Make sure that your throttle body gasket is good. Make sure that your throttle plate is good. And so what I went to take out these fuses for was to reset the throttle body, because it's electric drive-by-wire. And then I found this bad boy here. So Puff Daddy isn't the only bad boy. So let's get this stuff going so we can get on this twin turbo project. Not you, but me. I can get at this twin turbo, remote mount twin turbo project. And I'm not using, that is so nice. Look at that. I'm not going to use the STS turbo system because it's like super overpriced. All you need is 2 turbos. You need an extra, like kind of an oil pan, 2 oil pumps, and intercooler piping. Like, you can do the entire thing with 2 turbos for well under $1,000. So anyways.